Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and go over another atrial rhythm here that we can figure out. So first things first, if you do see your monitor ongoing and it's moving too quick for you, remember you can always print out your rhythm and it can be on a standstill. Print it out, rip it out, and take a look at it and try to see what you can get figured out. And the best way to identify your rhythm is go over these 5 right here. These 5 rules, and that should help you identify the rhythm that you have in front of you. So first things first, we want to identify all waves. So here we have, you already know your P wave should be in the front. However, you see a ton of P waves here, and it's all fibrillating. Basically going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, a quivering, as you can say. And that means that we have a ton of P waves. So we know that. We know that our P waves is a ton of them. Your ECG is showing a lot of P waves, which is one of the main things to know about this atrial rhythm right here. Next, do we have a QRS? Absolutely, we do. Let's see, I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit. So we do have P waves, a ton of them, right? Now, that's a Q right there. Actually, let me get this better for you. Let me point it out for you all right here. Oh, whoa. Sorry, guys, working off the tablet again. So, there it is. That's your Q. Where's our R? Right here on top. R and our S. Somewhere on there. S. And do we have a T wave? T wave is probably somewhere around there, hidden. And then we go back to our normal. So now we have identified all the waves. Good. Next, do we have a measurable PR interval? Since the P waves basically start quivering since here, do we actually start from here all the way down? No. Why? Because from each P wave, it's supposed to actually start, again, measure. So it's not measurable at all. Okay? So on your PR interval for this type of rhythm, if you see plenty of P waves just quivering or fibrillating back and forth, that means that you cannot measure. That means you cannot measure your PR interval. Next, now, we do have a QRS. And this one, you do have 1, 2, 3. That still falls between the 0.12 criteria. So we're still good on that one. So 0.12, we do not have a wide rhythm. So that's good, an abnormal rhythm. But look at this rhythm right here. Is it abnormal? Is it irregular? We know for sure it's irregular. Because look at our R to R's. Is it constant? No. Let's see, let me point it out a little bit. Let's see if we can go technical here. So, let's see if we can measure this. Look at this, perfect example right there. And then this, and this. As you can see, these look very off. They do not correlate. Right here, they do not correlate at all. It's very irregular. Now, the funny thing about it is it irregularly regular? Like, is this a regular rhythm basically going at an irregular rate? And the answer is yes. I know that sounds very confusing, but there is a possible way of it can actually be very irregularly irregular. But this one, you still have consistency. So you still have a irregular. It's irregular. Irregularly regular. Now our rate. So let's say for this one, let me see, 8, 10. Let me see, I do give you a 6-second strip that starts from here. Midway, let's say it's here. Let me give you one more, actually. Here. Oh, that's still too much. Here. And here. So count whatever QRSs you have from this to this, and that is going to be your 6-second strip right there. I want you to count that. And let's see how many we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 10 times 12 equals 120 beats per minute. And so what do we have? We have AFib with RVR, a rapid ventricular rate. Anything above 100 means that we have a rapid ventricular rate. Anything above 100. Anything below 100 means that we have a slow ventricular response. Okay? So from here, this is one of the biggest things that you have to watch out for AFib, guys. AFib is one of those things that you're going to see a lot out there in the field. So you have to pay attention to these squiggly lines right here. Let me change the color. These little lines, these little fibrillations. Oh no. There you go. These little fibrillations are the ones that are going to get you every now and then. So you have to pay close attention to these right here. These are the ones to watch out for. Those P waves. Sorry for that little mess up at the end, but I hope this helps out. You guys have a good one.